Yo mga tol, we're back, and today we're going to unbox our most recent purchase for Project Hikari, which is this, the PIA LED H4 headlight, model LEH 180. There. Nothing really too special to see about this, but I want to unbox before I proceed with the install so you guys could actually see what you get inside the box when you decide to purchase. So here, okay, right now let's open. Okay, so I tore it. Let's see kung ano laman. Okay, so inside the box there are two more boxes. I think this is the manual and it's in Japanese, no? Japan yo. So, inside nitong dalawang boxes ay the headlights mismo. Let's check. So, there. So, yan. Meron branding ng PIA dito sa ibabaw. So, pag binili mo siya, yan, protected naman siya ng styro. So, kahit i-deliver sa'yo, medyo safe yung ilaw. And, there. So, yan. High and low ito. H4 format. Ayan. And, yeah. Medyo mabigat siya. So it's just the same thing dito sa loob nitong isang box. So yan, branding na PIA over there, and H4 and some serial number. Yan. So technically that's it. Yan lang yung meron dito. And we can now proceed sa ating install. Let's go! Okay mga tol, so ang gagawin natin is tatanggalin muna natin to. Yan yung dust cover. And then sa loob nyan, merong latch na parang lock nung pinaka H4 headlight. So hugutin lang din natin yon, and then ikakabit natin papalit yung ating bagong LED headlight. Tara! Okay, so dust cover out. Yan. Yan yung dust cover. And here's our halogen light. Sa halogen, wag nyo hawakan yung bulb mismo. Help. So, ito na yung ating teka. So, for comparison, ayan. Oh. Ganyan kalaki yung LED. May dumataang eroplano, ang ingay. So, ganyan kalaki LED. Ayan. For comparison lang. Ayan. May guide ito doon sa headlight. Ayun. So, hindi ka naman maliligaw. No? Okay mga tol. So, yan ah. So, yan. Kita ba? Yun. It's finally installed. There. Haha. So, mabilis lang yan, no? It's not that hard to install. Okay. So, light check. Okay, mga tol. So, yun na yung ating headlight. And, nabalik na rin ang lahat dito. Okay. So, testingin na natin and compare natin kasi yung kabila natin doon naka halogen pa yan. Ito pa lang yung napalitan natin, and medyo madilim na. Yan, tignan nyo, nagsa-sunset na. So yan, good time para mag-test. Let's go! Let's check. 1, 2. Okay, park light. Whoa! Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh yes, tingnan nyo. Ha! Oh, that is bright. So, ito no, nakikita ba? So, yan yung sa PIA. Yes, it's bright. kahit naka super dark tayo na tint, it's brighter compared to this. Ito, may, talagang, asan na? Yan, yellowish yung tint. Ito, it's very bright and mukhang walang problem sa focus. Mukhang tama yung focus niya. So, yan. Tapos tinan nyo, meron pa ring beam, merong cut, hindi siya sabog. So, I'm assuming hindi ito makakasilaw sa iba. So, yan mga tol. We're driving, test drive. So, tinan nyo, for sake of comparison. So, yan, yung nakikita nyo sa inyong right. Yan, yan yung PIA. And, it's very bright. Tinan nyo. Na-overpower niya isa. It's very bright. So, ito yung ilaw. Okay, so yun yung ilaw from darkness. So, yun. So, nakikita nyo, illuminated yung bangketa. Ang ganda talaga ng sabog ng ilaw. So, ito, testing. So, yan, park light. And then, nice! Again, naka super dark tayong tint and totally dark, pero nagpe-perform na yung ating bagong headlight. Nice, 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 nice. Ayan o, hindi pa completely dark. Ongoing pa yung sunset, but again, nagpe-perform na ng maganda yung ating bagong headlight. Ayan o, so yun yung difference dito and dito. Ayan, layo. Ganda, ang ganda niya. Okay. So ito yung sinasabi ko, may cut pa rin siya, hindi siya sabog. So again, I'm assuming hindi ito makakasilaw sa mga kasalubong ko. So sobrang panalo ng PIA headlights. Ang ganda-ganda, ang liwa-liwanag, nice, nice, so nice. Yan, pagka walang tint, oh. So again, kitang-kita nyo, may cut, maganda yung focus, maganda lahat. Love it. Haha, panalo tol, panalo.